Hi friends! Are you ready to become faster and more agile with us today? Let's get started.
Stand tall. Reach up. Breathe in.
Reach up to the sky. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Do it just like me. Stand like a tree. Breath in and smile. Very good.
Same pose. Now we'll lift the other leg.
Excellent. Now let's move the next exercise.
We raise one arm up. We slowly bend to the side.
Nice job.
Same pose. Now we raise our other hand up. Slowly bend to the side. Very good. Now, we will do the warrior pose. One leg forward, the other back. We bend the front knee. We raise our arms up. We keep our torso upright. We are strong.
Excellent.
Same pose. Now we'll lift the other leg. You are doing great. Please sit down now. Sit comfortably. Relax and breathe. Very good. Sit comfortably.
Reach up to the sky. Breath in and smile. Excellent.
Sit comfortably. Lift one arm. Gently stretch to the side. Very good. Same pose. Now lift the other arm. Gently lean to the other side. Now look at me. We are now down like me pose. Awesome. Let's keep going. Stretch your legs. Bend forward gently. Breathe out and relax. You're doing great. Now, let's move on to the next exercise. Stretch like a puppy. Push the floor away. Breathe in and out. You are doing very well. Now we're going to do camel pose. Knees on the ground, body upright, hands on hips. Slowly bend backwards.
Breath in and smile.
You're doing great.
Today we became faster and more agile. Be proud of yourself. High five. Did you like our yoga today? Like and subscribe for more fun yoga.